Good morning, YouTube. This is the Billion Brown, and I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. I know I am. But this tree fell just a moment ago, and it hit so hard that I was wondering what was going on, and it actually fell all into the street. And it's just an unfortunate situation. It tore up their home, and I don't even know right now how to get in contact with the people. But I am going to post this on YouTube, so hopefully the new owners of this residence will see this and see the damage to their property, and the tree that was leaning on your property has now unfortunately fallen. I did call the police. They should be here shortly. So this is how their day is starting, and so far my day has been amazing. The Lord Essex day has been amazing, and this is just something I've been able to witness. And this is a tower, I believe. I'm going to probably witness for someone I know. But yeah, guys, look at this. All of this tree. It finally fell. I'm so glad that no one is living here at this time. The cities, when they tear down property, they should actually invest in taking the trees down as well, because the trees are so old and they have the equipment to do so, but unfortunately they do not. And that causes a problem for other homeowners when they come into the community and they buy property. And these old trees are here that they know that they need to be taken care of. And trees are very expensive to take down. I know you all know that. They could range from anywhere from $1,000 and up, unless you're able to negotiate. And I enjoy negotiating. So this is what we're looking at today. So I will see you guys soon. You have an amazing day. And boy, I wish there was some animals that liked all this green on the tree that they could come and eat. I don't know. But there are not any here. So I'll see you guys later. Have a wonderful day. And thank you. Please check out my Mercari page under Billion Brown. And also check out my eBay page under PATRBR3746. Please check out my Mercari page and enjoy the items on there and make a purchase. Thank you guys. Bye.